What's up, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Archie back with another banger of a video. Today's probably going to be a little bit of a short video. Thank you guys for all the love and support on the last video we dropped about the Project Z. So obviously if you guys haven't watched that video already, go ahead and watch that video. We actually discovered that something was wrong with the motor internally. The oil, when it came out, looked absolutely disgusting. Instead of doing a compression test, running a whole bunch of tests, fuel tests, and wasting money on all that, we're actually going to be purchasing a new engine, and everything before that, we're going to be working on the Project Z. So today we're going to be working on the Project Z. Today the topic of the work, I guess you would say, is going to be these headlights. As you can see, these headlights are absolutely not that bad, honestly, but they're pretty atrocious. And they're really yellow and nasty and grimy, and I don't know how good the camera can pick it up. And actually the guy that painted the front bumper kind of painted the headlight right there. So we actually went ahead to our local AutoZone and we went ahead and picked up a Grio's Garage ceramic headlight restore. I've never used this one before. I was really interested because it says that you do not have to do any sanding, so I thought that was pretty cool, especially since it's pretty hot in the Florida weather, to be sanding down a headlight, which obviously, if you don't know already, if you're sanding down something that's already hot, it gets really hot, it could mess up the plastic. Another thing I thought it was kind of interesting, it says it's powered by Cerakote Ceramics, and Cerakote Ceramics actually has a kit at Walmart for like $19.99 that I feel like is the same exact thing as this, but I was already at AutoZone, so I went ahead and picked this up. This one was actually $32, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to give you guys a before and after, and we're going to get right to it, give you guys some instructions on how to do it, and see how good it comes out, and give it a rating. So this kit actually includes 2 coating wipes, 2 oxidation remover wipes, and I guess, oh, it does have a sanding pad, but I guess you don't have to use an actual machine. We recommend using automotive masking tape to mask adjacent surfaces. So you'll see right here, we have the 2 ceramic headlight coatings. I know these you have to be really careful applying them, because if you just do them free will and you don't do it in a certain correct way, like in certain strokes, but in certain strokes, you're actually going to mess up the lens and the overall look of it, and it's going to look kind of hazy. Like I said, we got the oxidation remover, we got 2 packs of these, and we got a little pad, some sanding down pads. 1000 grit, 2000, 3000. Wow. Alright. Oh, step 1, instructions. Throw them out. Alright guys, full disclosure, I was kidding. Alright, so step 1, clean and prep. Wash vehicle with a non-wax car wash soap such as Grio's Garage Brilliant Finish Car Wash. Be right back. Alright, all I have is glass cleaner, because all my other car washes are wax stuff, so hopefully that doesn't mess up everything, but we'll see. Step 1 done. How good was it done? Debatable. Before beginning, mask off adjacent surfaces with automotive masking tape to avoid scuffs or damage. Automotive. So, both sides are masked off. Put on protective gloves. Alright. Always when you put these gloves on, you gotta... Oh, this doesn't do it. Oh, this one's whack. You know when the blue one goes... That's always fun. Your mom and dad didn't already teach you, make sure to always have protection on. If not, then that's what Archie's here for, baby. Wear protection. Especially with these girls nowadays. Open oxidation wipe packet and remove wipe. Keep it folded. With moderate pressure, wipe the headlight lens evenly from top to bottom in a scrubbing motion. Top to bottom. Turn or fold wipe, repeat as necessary. Alright. Look how dirty this wipe is. Alright, 1 done. They do look pretty good already. With moderate pressure, wipe the headlights evenly from top to bottom. Turn or fold wipe. Wipe will turn yellow and soiled as oxidation is extracted from the lens. If any oxidation remover encounters adjacent untaped surfaces, wipe off immediately. Oh. Oops. Didn't read that part. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera already, but it's looking pretty good. I have a whole oxidation sheet left. I'm literally just going to keep it in there. Sanding. Rinse thoroughly and allow to dry completely before proceeding to sanding. Okay, so we gotta actually rinse this down and clean it. So we gotta wait for it to dry out. And my camera's heating up. Alright, so I had to take a quick water break because I guess my camera's more of a pussy than me and it got hot. But this Florida heat do be hitting. So where we left off was actually, I think it was step 3. So we're actually going to be getting the this guy. This guy. 1000 grit. And we're just going to be hitting it with water. So you got to hit it with water at the same time you scrub, because that's what wet sanding is. So alright, so essentially the goal of this is to get that headlight as even as you can with the amount of fogginess. So when it's getting cloudy and foggy, that's actually a good sign. That's what you're actually looking for. So you just finished doing the 2000 and the 3000 grit. So pretty much all I did was kind of what the 1000 grit was, just go up, down. Circles I heard are not really good, so I just swiped up, swiped down. Sometimes I hit it with a circle. And then now all we have to do according to the instructions, once sanding is complete, your headlight should have a uniform frosted cloudy appearance. This one I just finished doing, so that's not a really good example, it's still kind of wet. This one has a uniform kind of frosty cloudy appearance. That's what they're looking for, is that everything's all in uniform and everything's all kind of in sync. This one I just got finished doing, so it's still kind of wet. So you'll see it still has some, like it's actually wet. So we're gonna dry that one off, make sure that one's good. And let's dry this guy off real quick. And you'll see once it actually gets dried that it's all pretty much uniform and clear. So now you see it's really cloudy. That is actually the good thing. That's what you're supposed to do. Don't get scared. I know when you were sanding it looked really good and now it's all cloudy. That's what you're supposed to do. Now another reason you don't want this to be wet, if you put the clear on wet, it won't exactly like stick per se. Now we're gonna hit it with the ceramic headlight coating. Like I said earlier, make sure to do even strokes up and down and not to go in circle, because once you make one pass, you don't want to make that pass kind of again. At least from the restorers I've used before.
Yeah. Bad bitch, yeah, I treat her like she average. Cash shit, yeah, I'm all about a bad bitch. Whoa. Yeah, I need a Kelly rolling on fast.
Side to side comparison. You can actually see the headlight now, so that's pretty sick. So, what I was trying to say earlier was you're gonna want to start on one end and you're gonna make one stroke. Once you finish that stroke, second stroke, don't go past again to your older stroke. So, I'm gonna see if I can get it on cam here for you guys. So I like to start down here. So one, as you guys can tell, my stroke is horrible right there. That's one. That's two. That's three horrible passes. That's four. That's 5. So now you'll see that I have some spots that I miss. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, so we're just gonna go over it. And she's good. So as you can tell, this is gonna be the before product, and we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to do a snap that's gonna have a total complete background, because I don't know how long this is gonna take. And 3, 2, 1. There she is, guys. She is all done. I'll say this job probably took about, time is it, 4:14, probably like 30 minutes. Overall, 10 out of 10. Came out really nice, really good. I guess these headlights weren't a great example of how good the product is, because they weren't that beat up, I guess you could say. But they came out like new and saved myself like 200 bucks instead of having to buy a whole new set of headlights, or actually just buying the lens or anything like that. 10 out of 10 product. I do want to research. I want to see if you can actually buy the $19.99 one. I'll put it right here on the screen compared to this one that I bought at AutoZone, because it's literally says powered by Cerakote. So I think it's the same exact product, just one says Griot's and one doesn't. So either way, I love Grills products, and shout out to them. But just trying to save you guys some money. So little by little, piece by piece, coming together. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys ever need that Headlights lens restorer, definitely recommend getting that Grills, or even maybe checking out that Cerakote one at Walmart. They're about $10 difference, so it's nothing too crazy, but definitely recommend doing that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm Marky Ruiz, this Worldwide. Thank you guys very much for the subs, bro. I think we're at 92 subs now. This video that I'm posting, we're at 92. Last video we were at around 85. So thank you guys for the love. Make sure to keep liking, keep on commenting down below. Tell me what you guys think. Like, subscribe. Worldwide, Marky Ruiz. Peace. I'm out. Nebuchadnezzar, go.
Taking off and started killing it, riding and rolling. I'm smoking, patrolling. Never ever gotta wait for nobody. I told myself I was gonna boss on these niggas. Top flight, don't look at the